Kate here with WTI, and if you're looking to keep your hands warm this winter, these Hinsole heated gloves will definitely do the job. Now these gloves are not only warm on their own, but they come with a battery pack. So each glove has its own rechargeable battery that will keep you warm for hours. They're so easy to use. You charge them up, you put them in this nice little zippered pocket, and you're ready to go. Then you just hold the power button. There are 3 different heat settings, so a low, medium, and high. Of course, that will affect your battery life. You will have warm hands in a matter of seconds. These gloves heat up so fast and really keep you nice and toasty, even when it's freezing cold outside. You can tell that this company has experienced the brutal cold because they are definitely built for cold weather. I like how sleek they are. They're really nice. They are true to size. They have a great grip on the palm as well. And then the fingertip can be used on your phone, so that's very handy. We do all sorts of things outside in the winter, and having warm hands is a must. So if your desire is to keep the cold out and keep your hands nice and warm, then you will definitely accomplish that with these gloves, and that's my point of view.